Hey, what's going on, everyone? Mike Rose here. So today we're going to take a look at how you can safeguard your Pulse and PulseX safest way. So this video is going to be for those who don't have hardware wallets or are unfamiliar with MetaMask. So right now we're on the ledger.com website. This website is the best website for hardware wallets. At least that's what I think, and that's what most people use. So as you can see, there are a few different options here. We got the Nano S Plus, the Nano X. I personally would advise going with the Nano S Plus because it's cheaper and you can still manage quite a few different coins. I think the main difference is how many coins you can actually hold, like the memory. So that's why I would say just go with the cheaper option. So yeah, you can get these on Amazon as well. You got the Nano S for $79. That's Canadian, so it's a little bit cheaper. So I think, yeah, I'm not sure what exactly you'd pay in US. Maybe around 110 for the X and 60. Yeah. So then the other thing you're gonna need, right, is you're gonna need a MetaMask wallet. Now, this video is primarily for those who didn't sacrifice for the Pulse and PulseX sacrifice set, or just are unfamiliar with how they should go about purchasing Pulse and PulseX or any other crypto. So the thing with Pulse and PulseX is it's not going to be really available on centralized exchanges right away. So your ability to actually purchase them will require you to actually use a browser wallet like MetaMask. So if you've never used the browser wallet before, the most widely recommended one is called MetaMask. You can find it at metamask.io. You would simply scroll down here and you download for Chrome. So if you don't have a Chrome browser, you can just download one at google.com/Chrome. It should be there, or you can just Google Chrome browser and it'll pop up. So that's pretty much all you need. Now here's the key, right, is that Pulse and PulseX are only going to be available on the PulseX exchange. So if you've never purchased crypto before, or you've only used centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, then you're going to need to use MetaMask. You're not going to have a choice. You're going to pretty much have to use this browser or this web wallet. So yeah, what I would do is I would download this, save the password, make sure the password is saved in multiple locations. One should be off premises. Best place would be a safety security box at your bank, but there are other places you could try to use as well, but make sure that they're secure. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, for those that have never used a hardware wallet before and MetaMask, it's pretty easy. So don't let it seem like it's a little bit difficult. It's not. The only thing is that you have to spend some money on the hardware wallet, but that's your last line of defense, right? So you really need this hardware wallet. Like, you can use this browser simply at the beginning without a hardware wallet, but once you have a hardware wallet, you're going to want to use that, because these browsers are not reliable in terms of their security, right? So you're safe for small amounts, but if you want to save your Pulse and PulseX and you want to secure it and you want to make sure that you're going to have it for years, then you definitely need a hardware wallet. Yeah, that's so. Yeah, I'll make another video shortly showing you guys how to go through the ledger, but it's very easy. So don't let it don't let it stop you from getting started, because you're gonna want to be ready. This is Market Spy right here. This is the weekly chart, Bitcoin, and gave us this green buy signal. So not too bad, considering. It's pretty rare that you get one of those green dots here. Here's the hex chart. Hex chart as well, green dot. So this is definitely, we're at the lows, at least longer term is what this chart is suggesting. But short term, I mean, 2023 is looking quite bearish. I think the chances for a recession are quite high in the US, and there's going to be a lot of selling pressure in terms of in terms of tech, in terms of anything tech related. So I'm not saying this is the bottom by any means. I think that there's still some ways to go, but I don't think that it's a bad entry point for the long term. You're just going to buy a little bit and dollar cost averaging. Anyway, I'm just thinking, is there anything else? No, that's pretty much it. Yeah, guys, get your hardware wallets. I mean, this is something that you're gonna want to have, because a lot of people have skipped out on the hardware wallets and just gone with browser wallets, and they've lost fortunes. They've lost fortunes, guys. And it's little stuff that you'd never think. Like, for instance, the wallet can reset, and then all of a sudden you didn't save the keys for each individual account that were created, or there's some kind of a bug, some little thing. But the other big one is the hacking. So with the browser wallet, with the MetaMask wallet, you can have your browser hijacked, right? They can inject scripts, and they can do all types of things that with a hardware wallet they can't do, because with the hardware wallet you actually have to physically key in your PIN code. That's the big difference between a hardware wallet and a software wallet, and that's why they're so powerful for protecting yourself, is because the attacker literally needs to hold the wallet in their hand, and they have to know your PIN. All right, guys, so stay safe out there, and until next time.